Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily add photos or videos in an album on your iPhone. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So guys, first of all, open up the Photos app on your iPhone and then tap on See All on the top right corner and make sure that you are in the album section. After tapping on See All, you'll be able to find all the albums that are present or that exist in your iPhone's Photos app. Now, for example, ABC is an empty album. You can see there are no photos or videos, and I want to add something in it. I'll simply tap and hold on it, and it will give me an option of add photos on the top. I'll simply tap on add photos, and it will take me to albums. For example, I want to add this photo to this album. I'll simply select it and tap on add. Now make sure that the photo that I've just added will not be removed from the previous album. It will stay there and a copy of that photo will be copied to this album. So that's how you can easily add photos to an existing album on your iPhone. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section.